What's the meaning of besotted? Besotted. Besotted.
Besotted. Besotted. Besotted is an adjective that describes someone who is completely infatuated or obsessed with another person or thing. It implies a state of being overwhelmed by strong and often irrational emotions, such as love, admiration, or desire. To be besotted is to be deeply and blindly in love, to the point of being unable to think clearly or act rationally. This term is often used to describe individuals who have lost their sense of judgment or moderation due to their intense feelings for someone or something. It can also imply a state of intoxication or addiction to drugs or alcohol.